Have you ever seen that fun little dinosaur game that pops up when the internet goes off? You know, the one where the dino keeps jumping over the cactuses. It is so simple, but so much fun. Total nostalgia, right? Now, guess what? We are going to create our own version of that game in Scratch Junior. That's especially for younger kids of age 5 to 7 who always say, we want something fun too. Want something fun too, Mom. So, let's get ready for a super cool challenge. Let's build our own Dino Jump game today in a fun and easy way. Yes, let's get started here on the Scratch Junior app. So you can download the Scratch Junior on your tablet or laptop or mobile phone as well. So we have already uploaded video of how to download Scratch Junior on your mobile or any other device. Okay, so let's get started. I will click on this home button and then click on the new project. Okay, now here you can change the backdrop that you like. So you can even paint your own backdrop, or you can just select anything from here. So for now I will select this one. Okay, and then we have to draw a dinosaur. Okay, so for drawing that I will show you how to do that. So click on the paint button over here, and then let's try to draw a dinosaur. Okay, now here we have selected the square button. Okay, and let's select, let's say, green color, and I will draw a rectangle as the face of the dinosaur, and let's draw another rectangle as the body. And this, any way you can draw a rectangle dinosaur, it's your choice. I'm just trying to draw with the easiest way possible. Two legs and one hand. Okay, now let's select the circle one, click on black. Okay, now let's color this first. I will click on this paint and just paint it with the same green color. Obviously, let's click and select green color. Now click on the circle and draw a eye. You can paint that eye. Amazing. So here you can name your character as Dino. Awesome. So this is your dinosaur. You can remove this default character by right clicking, by clicking on it and crossing it off. Okay, so we have our dinosaur ready, and now what do we want? We want a cactus. So when we click on this plus character, you will see a lot of characters here. These are all drawn by me and my daughter. Let's see if there is a cactus here. Okay, here I see we have a cactus, but it's too big. Okay, so how do we make it smaller? Let's select this plus, but this purple button, and I will just make it a little smaller. I think this, let's make it bigger. This is perfect. Okay, so let's keep it over here. All right, so we have the background ready and the game ready, and let's get started. Okay, now we want this dino to jump, right? So we need a jump button to be added here. So let's go and add a button here. So there should be a paint button. You can click on paint and then select the circle, and let's draw a circle. So whichever color you want, you can color it. So let's select red, paint it red. You can write here as button and then okay. So this is the button. You can reduce the size by clicking on this, but this one, shrink one. Okay, and then let's add jump. So click on this A, B, C, and let's make it jump. Okay, you can make it smaller. Okay, so if you want to make this jump a bit smaller, add it over here. Okay, so our jump button is ready. Okay, so our dino is ready, the button is ready. Now what is the next thing we have to do? When we are trying to click on the jump button, the dino should jump. Okay, let's see that now. What we have to do is click on this yellow blocks, and this is the button. So this is start on tab button. Okay, so when we click on this start on tab, when we tap on this button, we want the dino to get a message to jump. Okay, so let's take this message, and then let's go to the dino, and whenever we go to the dino, this message it will receive and it will jump. So let's go to this blue blocks, and this is the button for jumping, and you can see it is jumping. Now we want it to jump higher, so we can make it as 4. Okay, awesome. So let's click on jump and see. Wow, isn't it awesome? So whenever we are sending a message to jump, it will jump. Amazing. So let's get to the next step now. Now we want this cactus to come near the dino all the time. Okay, so let's add some simple code for cactus part now. So whenever the green flag is clicked, cactus will start moving left, okay, towards the dino, and we want it to move forever. So I think this is perfect, this straight line. Let's see. Awesome. A bit lower. Perfect. Now let's try to play this. So whenever the cactus is coming, we want dino to jump. Okay, but the dino is jumping very fast, isn't it? So let's try to change its speed a bit. So whenever it is jumping, click on this slow button, speed button, and click on the slower one. Okay, now let's try again. Awesome, perfect, right? It is able to jump. Okay, now this will be perfect. The speed of the dino will be the perfect to match the cactus. Perfect. Okay, now what we have to do, like whenever it is touching the dino, we want to add one more screen, that is for game over. Okay, so whenever it will touch dino, it will end the game. Okay, so let's add one more screen here. All right, now let's go back to the first screen and click on cactus, and here go to the yellow blocks, and this is the button start on bump cactus. So whenever it is bumping the dino, it should go to the last second screen. Okay, so it will go to the second screen. So let's see if it is working. Awesome. Okay, so here it is coming to the second screen. Now you can design your own game over however you like. So if you want to change any character over here, you can write, you can show anything. Okay, these are all the characters that are given. Choose this dragon. Okay, I'll remove it, and let's reduce the size a bit, and let's write here game over, and you can color the background. You can choose the background as you like. Or here, let's try to draw a background. Let's paint it black red. Okay, game over. Okay, so let's try now. Perfect. Now let's try to play this on full screen button. So this is the full screen, so click on this and go click on this back, and let's try to play the game. Oh, game over. It's difficult here to just be very quick. Okay, click on green flag and jump. Oh, okay, great. I was able to go. Oh, okay, it's quite difficult. So what we can do, we can add little slowness to this cactus as well, so that we get some time. Let's keep this one. If you want to make it fast, you can make it fast, or you can make it slow a little bit. Okay, so let's try again. Okay, so have fun with this game. Isn't that amazing? How much fun we have without the internet, just using creativity and coding skills. Don't forget to share your Dino game with your friends. Try changing the background, characters, and challenge someone to beat your Dino's high score. If you loved this, you will love the rest of our fun coding adventures. DM us or join our summer camp to learn more fun, cool stuff like this. Keep playing, keep creating, and keep coding. Bye for now.